I also do something else in the winter, or something as a complementary business that might be remodeling to roofing, does it make sense for me to just have one website or separate websites for those other service offerings? If you're a business owner and you have a company or multiple companies that offers a variety of different services, then you're going to want to pay attention to today's video. Question that I get asked all the time is, hey Adam, I have this business that is my main business. Let's just call it a roofing company or a landscaping company or whatever type of company that might come with seasonal business and seasonal work. Let's say I also do something else in the winter, or something as a complementary business that might be remodeling to roofing, or junk removal to landscaping, or Christmas light installation to whatever other industry that's out there. Does it make sense for me to just have one website or separate websites for those other service offerings? Now, that's a loaded question, because if it's under the same business, for example, or if it's separate businesses, meaning like it's Adam's Christmas light installation and then, St. Louis Roofing Company, for example, those are completely different things that are different brands. So yes, you should absolutely have different websites for those. Even though if you have the same brand name, let's just say it's Adam's, Adam's Construction Company, that the Christmas light installation is under that company as well, it still makes sense to have separate websites, because those two industries, albeit under the same umbrella, are so unique and so different. And if you're looking from a lead generation standpoint, primarily with search engine optimization and paid advertising, it just makes sense to have its own website, Adam's Christmas Lights, Adam's Roofing, whatever it might be. When they're two drastically different industries and service offerings, the best bang for your buck, if you can afford it, is to have those different websites and to treat them as their own separate businesses within your ecosystem. Otherwise, you're going to be doing paid ad campaigns or SEO or anything under the sun, any type of marketing effort, organic or digital, word of mouth or not, and you're going to be driving traffic to a place that has a ton of different things going on. And specifically with SEO, which is where this really comes into play, Google's going to be taking a look at your website, and you're going to be kind of picking and choosing, where is my focus going to be? And it's going to be typically based on the time of the year. But with SEO specifically, that's something you should be doing year round. So you're always going to be burning both ends of the candle by going in those different directions. So if you can consistently do SEO on your roofing company website and then have something separate for whether it's contracting, Christmas lights, landscaping, etc., you're going to rank for your own sets of keywords in your service areas completely separate and have those two things standing on its own legs. Again, obviously, that's more budget, that's more resources, that's more time and energy going behind those things. But we get asked that question a lot. And so I always like to tackle that question head on to say, hey, if this were my company and I had unlimited funding and unlimited marketing budget and things like that, I would go and separate those things down to its own separate websites. And then from there, own SEO plans, own paid ad plans, etc. So if you're a business owner and you have businesses that are under your main business, or services that you offer, or industries that you cater to that are two drastically different things, I highly encourage you to get separate marketing plans with separate websites and separate budgets. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have any questions on this topic in particular, feel free to leave a comment, reach out to us, reach out to me directly at adammcchesney.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.